Hello everyone, welcome to KR Lakkam Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class we were discussing the exercise 1.4. We solved already question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and now today we have to solve 5, 6, 7 word problems. Fifth one, the question I will read out now. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. 12 noon means afternoon. Madhyana 12 o'clock. Okay. Then if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So 12 noon it is 10 degrees Celsius. So then 1 p.m. it will become 10 degrees Celsius minus decreases. So decrease means you should calculate like decreasing, it means subtraction. 10 minus 2 it will become 8 degrees Celsius. So at 1 o'clock 1 p.m. afternoon the temperature will become 8 degrees Celsius. And then 2 p.m. it will become 6 degrees Celsius. 3 p.m. it will become 3 p.m. this will become 4 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. it will become minus 2 again, 2 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. it will become 2 minus 2, 0 degrees Celsius. Then 6 p.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius. 7 p.m. minus 4 degrees Celsius, because minus 2 minus 2 it will become minus 4 degrees Celsius. Then 8 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius. 9 p.m. minus 8 degrees Celsius. 10 p.m. minus 10 degrees Celsius. What they are asking? The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Midnight means which time? 12 a.m. So this is midnight. Till 12 a.m. 11 p.m. what it will become? Minus 12 degrees Celsius. Then 12 a.m. it will become minus 14 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Below 0, at what time this will become 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? At midnight it will be minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus below 0 8 degrees Celsius will be at 9 p.m. So what will be the answers? Answers will be C. According to the decreasing order, we should calculate this integers. Then only you will understand this. For the answer will be at 9 p.m. it will attain minus 8 degrees Celsius, and midnight it will become minus 14 degrees Celsius. How to write this in a systematic manner? I will write by word problems. How to write? I will solve you. Understood? They are asking at what time 8 degrees Celsius below the 0 it will become, and midnight. So temperature will be how much? One is 9 p.m. answer, one is minus 14 degrees Celsius. This we have done it in a rough manner. We have to do it in a proper manner. How to write it? I will write. Take this solution from the question. Fifth question. Write the solution. Temperature solution. Temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Change in temperature per hour. Per hour, how much temperature will become? This will become minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is equal to, so 12 noon it is 10 degrees Celsius. So 1 p.m. means 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, that is 8 degrees Celsius. Then temperature at 2 p.m. is equal to how much? 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, that is 6 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 3 p.m. all you should write. Here it has to become 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degree will become 4 degrees Celsius. Then 4 p.m. 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. same temperature at all, you should write this. I am not writing, but you should write. 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, it will become 0 degrees Celsius. 6 p.m. 0 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then 7 p.m. minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius. Next I will write this side. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. So minus 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, I hope it is visible. Then 9 p.m. minus 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. 10 p.m. minus 8 degree minus 2 degree is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. 11 p.m. minus 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 12 degrees Celsius. 12 a.m. at midnight, this will become 12 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 14 degrees Celsius. Minus 14 degrees Celsius. Like this all you should write. Then last, thus I will write here. Thus, therefore, the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 at 9 p.m. This is one answer. It will take 12 hours to be midnight, that is 12 a.m. after 12 noon. So midnight 12 a.m. the temperature? Temperature is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, change in temperature in 12 hours. Minus 14 degrees Celsius will be the answer. Therefore, the temperature at midnight will be thus temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. This is one answer, and 9 p.m. This is also one answer. This is all related to question number 5, the word problem. Next, question number 6. Write this in your fair notebook systematically. Next, question number 6. Read out question number 6. What is that? In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Solution. Marks for every correct answer is equal to 3. Then minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answers. Marks for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. And no marks for not attempting any questions. Marks for not attempting is equal to 0. No marks will be given for that. Okay. Then questions are, first one. This is first one. Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So she has scored Radhika. Radhika score is equal to score by Radhika marks scored by Radhika marks scored by, see, these are quite a big problems. Marks for every correct answer is 3, marks for every incorrect answer is minus 2. Marks for not attempting is 0. So marks scored by the Radhika 20 they have given. So what we have to identify is how many questions she has given incorrect, that we should find. To find that, what we need to do is marks obtained by 12 correct answers, that is 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Yes, because this has given and this has given. Marks obtained by incorrect answers we don't know, this we should identify. How can we get this? Total marks which she has taken minus marks obtained by her, that is 36, that is. So 12 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. Marks obtained by one wrong answer is equal to minus 2. So thus number of incorrect answers is equal to number of marks by giving incorrect answer is minus 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to 8. Thus she has given 8 incorrect answers. This is the solution. And next question. See, we'll read the next question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? So there is a mine, so they are going in an elevator from up to the down. Okay, so elevator like a trolley, they are going from up to the down. So going down we consider in a negative numbers. So they are going in the rate of how much? 10 meter. They are going 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute they are descending. Start from, so at what they will be at 10 meter they are asking. So for this how we can write the answer is, I will write on the board. First I will take the solution, data from the question. So this is the data from the question, that is distance descending is denoted by negative. So if they are going from down to up, it will be considered as a positive integer. But now elevator is coming from up to the down. So if it is coming in a descending order, that will be taken as a negative integer. So we will take the descending of elevator to as a negative integer. So initial height is 10 meter. Where is the elevator first? At 10 meter. Then find the depth is minus 350 meter. So total distance to be get by the elevator, minus 350 minus 10, because up it is already there. So the answer is minus 360 meter. Next we will identify time taken by the elevator to descend, minus 6 meter. Time taken by the elevator to descend is equal to minus 6 meter per 1 minute. So that's time taken by the elevator to descend. Time taken by the elevator to descend, minus 3 degree meter is equal to minus 3 degree meter, 360 meter divided by minus 6 minutes will become 6 are 36, 6 are 36 and 1 0 hour, 60 minutes per hour. 60 meter, 60 meter per hour. This is the answer. So time taken to descend from up to down to minus 360 meter to go, how much time it will take? 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, this is the answer, and this 1.4 exercise has completed by this. Next, what have we discussed? Page number 27. In this they have listed whatever we learnt in this lesson. So read these all things properly. This is the theory part of the lesson. So on this you will get many points like theory tests like multiple choice, fill in the blanks, pick the correct answers will be on this theory part. So page number 27 is the what we discussed in this lesson. Main points will be there. So read out this, then you will understand better. So next, fractions and decimals. In the next session we will start the lesson number 2. Thank you.